See if it's working. Yeah, I think so. Sweet. Alright. Forgot to change the thumbnail of the stream, but that's alright. R2, what's up, bro? How are you, man? Dude, I'm kind of wigging out because I put my monitor on this side and it's usually on that side, and I keep forgetting that there's no monitor there, so I just keep on looking into the wall and it feels mad goofy. I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. Explain the trend? Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, bro. So I think I deleted the drawings now. I'll just go to the screenshot. What, this one? Can you see this? You should be able to see. Can you see it? Alright. So, yeah, so each purple line is just a low, and every orange line is a high. So, we came up, made a higher high than this previous high, and then this low is a higher low than this one. And that's really all it is. That's as simple as it is. Like, there's nothing else to say. If you wanted to know how the candlestick actually works, let's just use this one for example. All it is when the candlestick opens, it opens at the bottom of the body of the candle. Alright? And then if it comes down at any point in time, let's say this candle is a 1 minute candle. This means that this candle just represents 1 minute of time. Okay? And price opened here, then it came down to this level at some point during that 1 minute period, and then decided it was going to go higher still during that 1 minute period, and by the end of it, it decided to close there. So it's pretty simple. You're only hearing my voice from the left? Wait, does it sound different now? It might be because my mic's on this side. Because my mic's over here, but I'm looking at the chat that way. Hell no, man. But like, so Stark PUBG, bro. Like, what don't you understand about it? Because you keep saying that you don't understand how it works, but I don't know what you mean. Like, it's just the price is going upwards in an upwards direction. You can also hear it from the left. Let me see if I can change it. It might be in my sound settings. I got a new graphics card, and I had to redo all of my settings. So, oh, dude, does it sound better now? Does it sound better now? It was coming out of the... Let me know if that fixed it. I think that fixed it. What? Alright. Mono audio. What if I turn it on? Is it better now? Does it sound better? What the fuck? Alright, let me redo it on OBS then. Okay, what about now? No, I'll explain in a second, but I have to figure this out. It's pissing me off. It was fine for a second. Just for a moment. Okay, what about now? What about now? I should open my own community? Nah, I don't. Like, once I start making some money from trading, then I would be somewhat credible to do that. But right now, like, why would I, like, there's no reason for me to do that. If anything, I'm the one that needs a mentor. When I slammed my mouse on the desk, you heard from both sides. I'm so confused, man. I don't. But nah, Stark, like that's just, I don't know how else to explain it. Like, you got to give me a bit more information, because like this right here, yes, it's an uptrend, but it's, this area here is like consolidating. It's not really going anywhere. But then down here, it's like we're uptrending. We're coming up, making a high, coming down, going up again, making another high. It's going up. Dude, I've had so many problems ever since I changed the graphics card. Like, all of my settings are cooked. It's so annoying. Wait, this might fix it. If it's not this, then I don't know. Oh, the controller's problem? Oh my god, man. I literally had to, I rage quit after that and went to bed. It was so bad. It's good? Okay. Thank god, man. That was a pain. Alright, sweet. let's figure out what we're actually going to do for the day. Now that I can think. Start on NQ actually. When will the first payout be? Hopefully soon, man. But I just know that if I think about it like that, that I'll end up blowing an account with that sort of thinking. Like, I just need to think, am I going to keep trading like consistently and like doing the right thing every single time? And then if I can do that, then a payout will come as a result. That's how I want to try and think about it. When will be... Dude, I really want to play Skate 4, but that I literally can't play it. Kind of in a weird spot today, by the looks of it. I also need to check Forex Factory. I can literally just type F in the search bar and Forex Factory comes up. You're busy, can I save the live? Yeah, I'll keep it on my channel after it's done. Maybe. But if you want more help with stuff, just ask questions in the Discord. Be sweet. We got no news. Like, we got new home sales at 10. I swear, was it new home sales that last time it went crazy? Like, there was actually a big candle off of that. I feel like it was new home sales. So we got Asia highs down here. Lows, I mean. And then London lows there as well. Sorry if I'm kind of low energy as well. I'm pretty tired right now. And then wouldn't really call that London's high because it was at 6. It's pretty late, but I'll give it to him. Why did I put that as London low earlier? So we're inside of this 15-minute imbalance. Sort of what I'm looking at the moment. You don't know if you should be bullish or bearish today? Yeah, I'm sort of trying to figure that out here too, because like realistically, like we're kind of inside of this 4-hour imbalance, and I mean, what's that? 50% of the range. So if we were going to make like a leg down, it would make sense from here. But you know, we haven't done that any of these days. So I don't really see the point in trying to be the one that catches the short, you know? How many trades do I take per day? Like 1 if I even take it. Sometimes 2 trades. I don't really have a strict rule on it because I honestly don't know. I hardly ever find good entries. So when I see it, I just take it and that's it really. But I used to trade in a way where like I would see 3 or 4 setups in a single session. And now I feel like I see like one if it plays out, maybe two. I don't know. Like the trades that I would 100% take. So I'm not even expecting to necessarily take a trade, but if something happens, then I will. Yeah, so like we're inside of this 15-minute imbalance here. But then we're inside of a 4-hour one higher up. So I kind of want to see what happens to this. Like at 9:30, are we going to try and close through this? Or are we going to, take the London lows and then make a move higher off of that? It's kind of hard to know until it happens. I mean, obviously, but, Yeah, I'm just going to take a piss real quick. I'll be back. What's up, bro? Oi, Saba, what's going on, man? Haven't spoken in ages. You're back in school. Can't trade New York. Have you been trading any other sessions? I forgot where you're from. Like I forgot your sort of time zone. But yeah, I think we're just gonna have to wait. We're just gonna have to wait until market opens. I still wish we could listen to music, but it's cool. If you guys don't have any music going, get some music going, bro. Get in the mood. Trust yourself, because I feel like you just you gotta be in a good mindset. How much have I withdrawn from props to date? Nothing. Nothing. Unfortunately, but maybe soon. Yeah, I have been having a good month. I haven't had a single losing day this month, actually. It's crazy. Haven't taken a loss since what was before September, August. Do I only trade props? Yeah. I think 860 is the line in the sand for today. Let's see. Eight. Yeah, do you mean like if we close below here, sort of like what I was saying before, or if we just hold that price, like? Check in on me every now and then, and I'm a sharp guy. Keep it up. Remember, less is more. Thanks, man. Thank you. Appreciate you checking in, seeing if I'm going alright. I'm happy to tell you that I feel like I am going good. So, less is more. I agree. I feel like ever since I started just doing a lot less, I've been doing so much better. I also realized, like just before that, I haven't been trading much, and I've kind of just been not really even looking at the chart until like before market open, and I was trading the pre-market from 8:30, and I just seem to always lose trading pre-market, so I just don't trade that anymore. How come some people only trade props and don't seem to want to scale on their personal accounts? Well, I think personally that I can scale way more efficiently on prop firms than I could on a personal account. Because I just don't have enough money, like personal funds, for a personal account for it to really be that worth it. So my plan is every payout I take, I'm gonna put a portion of that aside towards a live account, and then use like another portion to buy more funded accounts so I can copy trade them, and then from there, I'll start scaling like crazy. But I'm just focusing on getting the first payout right now. Like, there's not really much point thinking about anything else until I've done it. Bullish above, bearish below. Interesting. Why do you say that? It's just a very specific spot. What time was it? Saba, did you say you've traded at all, or you just haven't been trading at all since you went back to school? Man, it's good to be back doing a stream though. Instead of doing streams, I've just been in a voice call in the Discord, just talking to you guys, which I think is honestly equally as fun. Like, I'll just be real for a second. Streaming is a lot better for like growing my channel and for, just growing on social media. It's better to do streams. But the voice calls are so fun, and I get to talk to you guys. Like, you guys don't have to comment. We can just talk and trade together, stream our screens, whatever. Jar voice chats are funny as. Yeah, bro. Everyone that's watching here, I highly suggest you just join. It's free. If you want people to trade with, like if you just get bored or you get impatient, bro, play a bit of fucking Minecraft. Got a server going. It's good. It's honestly, it's really good to just talk to people and keep busy while you're not trading, so that way you don't force things. Because I feel like genuinely, if you look at the chart for an hour straight and you just look at every single movement of every single candle, you convince yourself of a story that's maybe not true, genuinely, and then you just start doing things. Bro, tomorrow. That's my goal, is to get that game working. I want to play it so bad. I'm almost out of my chug jug. Hello, brother. Hello, man. How you going? Yeah, we'll play for sure when I fix it. Dude, even after the stream ends, like after we're done trading, bro, I'll join the voice call and I'll get it working. Tonight is the night. I'm feeling a lot more calm. And I think, I'll try again. My favorite Aussie? Hell yeah, bro. You're a G for that. That's a big title to hold. There's a lot of cool Aussies, man. There's a lot of cool Aussies. It's good to talk to you guys. It's actually it's so good. Maxwell, my favorite. Who's that? Yo, what's up, man? Oh, dude, you got a different name on like everything. You got a different name on YouTube, Discord, Minecraft. Trips me out, bro. Alaneezy. Got to universally change it to that, I reckon. You just joined the server? Hell yeah, bro. I think a couple of you guys are already in the voice call. Just join up. Alright, 5 minutes. 5 minutes till market open. Yo, at the end of this stream, once we're done trading, I'll join the voice call. Might even just stay in the stream, I don't know. Maybe I need to start up the server for you. What should we do in the meantime? What do we talk about? Let's do a poll. Bias. Let's do a bias poll. Everyone vote. Everyone vote. Let's see. "100% bullish." Quick, long. I'm joking. Let's see how we go. You want to know how I kind of feel right now? I actually feel a little bit nervous, bro. A little bit nervous to enter trades because I say it's a subconscious thought, but it's also just a thought that I know I have. Is that like I don't want the winning streak to end, and I don't want to take a loss because I've been going so well. But at the same time, I'm 100% accepting the risk. It's just that like there's a feeling like in the back of my brain of like I really want to take the best trade because I don't want to lose, which is kind of good, but it's also kind of like a little bit conflicting. You're thinking shorts? Yo, it's Drew. Hell yeah, bro. Purple Tip, my favorite YouTube name. Let's see how this 65 point rotation goes, bro. Let's drop down to the 5 minute for market open, I reckon. I think the best trade setup for me personally is if we get a sweep of London lows and then, or maybe an SMT at the London lows and then come for these London highs. But we'll have to see what direction market open is going to take. Market maker Drew. Purple Tip market maker. Yo, here to learn. Hell yeah, bro. What do you want to learn? Oh, I'm feeling sleepy right now, bro. Market's better open ASAP. All right, here we go. Surely we don't take those highs straight away. I want to get it set up towards those highs. Don't ruin it for me. Come on, let's dump. I want to say this. Let me mark it out for you guys. Personally, that's what I want to say. There we go. We'll drop some more time frames. See what happens here. Let's go. Chips. These ones low-key make your fingers kind of salty, but little snack? Yes, sir. Perks of working in the supermarket. Alright, let's see what happens here. Sorry if the chewing's really loud. Here we go. What's ES doing? Let's see. This looks good. This looks good. Only 55% bullish. Interesting. Maybe we take these Asia lows as well. That could happen. Let's watch the 3 minute because we've got this gap here. Let's see what happens. $24,820 is a 65 point. Alright. 24,820. Damn, it's higher. Oh, wait. Yeah. Do I use EMAs? Sometimes. Sometimes, Shadow. I use EMAs on my, like, second account. because that account's pretty much done for. And I just use them like this. They're not loading. Yeah, here we go. Don't know why it's taking so long, but I just use them to find like reversals, or not reversals, sorry, continuations. So I'm trying to build like a different strategy at the same time as using my current one, which is like got a lot of work to do, but I don't know. I don't so much use the crossovers. I more like wait for them to like come together, kind of thing. Like this is a bad example because this didn't work out that well. But like we come down, we're in an uptrend, and then as we start to consolidate a bit, the EMAs come closer, and then we like break back out of that range. That's when I want to go long, when the EMAs break back out, and then go to the highs. But like, yeah. Yeah, my fingers are so sticky now. Still dumping. Come on, let's do something. ASMR? Keep it up. Shit. Alright, if you say so. If you say so. I'm almost out of chips though. It's not looking good. It's really not looking good. What am I eating? Smith's chips. Imagine we just chop around. We could, but it's not looking like it yet. Free promo? Yeah. You only know Lay's? What do you mean you only know Lay's? There's heaps of brands though. Well, I'm out, man. I'm out of chips. Fuck. Damn. Still dumping. Yo, brother. What's up, Matt V? How you been, bro? Going well? I need to like wipe my hands or something. You traded pre-market 15-minute bearish FVG targeting Asia lows 5.4R. Damn. Yo, you're a G, bro. You're actually a G. I might spend it all at once though. I might spend it on a packet of chips. Honestly, might happen. Asia not hit yet though. Oh shit. Yeah, true. I guess. Yeah. I reckon it'll probably happen. To be honest, like I think it would be better if we took Asia lows before getting a move up. I probably prefer to see that. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. The big dilemma. The big question. Who knows? First payout update. I'm at 645 profit, and I got to get to 2,600. So still a while off because a lot of the trades I've taken this month were on the eval. So that kind of sucks. Like I would be, if all of these were on the funded, I would have probably been at a payout already. But it's no point thinking about the past like that, you know. I appreciate that, Alanese, though. Appreciate it, man. I reckon the most boring trading days are the ones where we open and we just make like a line down. So hopefully that doesn't happen today. What am I looking for before entering? I wanted to see London lows and then target London highs, but there's also these Asia lows down here. So I don't know. Maybe if we get like an SMT or something, but okay, this song's boring. Trading is boring sometimes. Anyone else taking any trades today? We might be about to close below this 15-minute imbalance. Like, unless we got a really quick move in the next minute 20, we're going to close below this range, which is honestly not great. Like, it's kind of bearish when that happens. Something I'm thinking about at the moment. We're not going to do that on ES, so ES might be the better play. I don't like the market conditions where we just have a massive move up and then a consolidation and then we do this. It's so weird. It's so weird. And I feel like it always slowly creeps back. Like it always takes quite a while. So I don't know, maybe we do want to make another move down. But This is Asia lows on ES. Google the Bart Simpson pattern? I can't tell if you're joking. Yeah, it's real. It's real. Bruh, what is that? That's what we just got. Dude, it's the Bart Simpson pattern. Wait. How do I get this up? Dude, we're forming a Bart Simpson pattern. What does this indicate, though? Look at general chat. I don't see it. I think my PC's like crashing. What the fuck's going on? Bro, someone clip that. Bart Simpson pattern. That's so troll. So it's bearish today? Bart says it's bearish. So maybe it is. High time frame order flow is bearish. I don't know though. Like not that high time frame. It's only really been this move down that's been bearish. We're still holding these lows and these lows and these lows. I don't know. Bro, now I see Bart everywhere in the chart. Dude, same. Same, bro. Dude, wait, I gotta get this back up. This is crazy. Can I like paste in TradingView? Oh, yes. Bro. Got a Bart here. Then we got one here. So what this indicates to me is that we had a Bart Simpson pattern here, and then we had a Bart Simpson pattern here, but now we've got another Bart Simpson happening here, and it's in line with this other Bart Simpson. So I don't know if we're going to get a Bart Simpson going up or down. I don't know. Don't fade Bart. Bro. We took Asia lows. So did ES as well, so. Yeah, Asia swept. GG's, bro. It's a good trade. You know what I'm actually thinking? I'm thinking, like, if we're going to come down all the way to the bottom of this Bart Simpson pattern, and we break through this low, we are so bearish, dude. I don't even know if I want to see a reversal anymore from this level, because it's like, well, are we just going to hunt this one and this one? Like, so I'm not really sure. Do I have any YouTube videos that would help a complete novice? Maybe a couple. I've got one video called How I Would Start Trading If I Could Start Again. But even then, that was me like a year ago. So maybe my opinion on that's completely different now. I don't really make videos too often where I like try to teach you guys how to trade because, you know, I just don't think that I'm credible for that yet. You know, I don't want to try and give out too much advice because I don't want to give out the wrong advice. That's a better way of saying it. I don't know, man. Oh, that's previous day low, though. That's previous day low down there. I didn't even realize that. That's kind of significant. This is tough, though. Dude. Get Bart off my chart. All I see is Bart wherever I go. ES is still way off previous day low. Oops. That's not going to stop being funny to me for a long time. It's like an actual verified thing as well. Like, you weren't just saying that. So, like... Bart Simpson pattern alert, ETH trading. That's exactly what we got. What does it mean? I was watching the charts 24/7 and suddenly this pattern appeared in front of my eyes. This is what we can observe. Sideways consolidation after the pump. Dump, question mark, question mark. So we've already made the move. We already missed out on the move. So, like, Xiao Crypto, you kind of caught it. Because you entered, like... Oh, no, you entered pre-market, didn't you? Because, like, if you entered here with your stop at, like, that high, that would be the perfect Bart Simpson play. That 65-point rotation didn't really hit, eh? It still hit one to the downside, but, like, I guess it's going to go one or the other ways. So, like, if you measured it from the open of 930, it's done 100, or it's done 97 points. Inverse Bart. So I'm not seeing anything, even on the lower time frames. I don't like where we're at right now. I really don't like it that much. I don't know. It just seems like catching an absolute falling knife. This honestly might be one of those days where I need to just trade it on the other account and just go for the continuation. Like, if we get some sort of consolidation here, like a Bart Simpson play, then if we drop, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Oh yeah, if we consolidate here for a bit and then the EMAs sort of line up, maybe I'll just go for a continuation play on the other account just to the downside, because that wouldn't be my model at all. Possible 5-minute IFG, yeah, I'm looking at that, but there's also one up here as well. So, like, I think the 3-minute is more valid, but it's pretty small. Like, this is the 3-minute here. Yeah, it did on both. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, you're saying like the first one. Yeah, gotcha. Wait, we got the same... yeah, but we got an up candle in the middle, so it kind of separates the leg. That's the way I see it. Does that make any sense? Like, I would count this as its own one, considering we had an up candle here, but... I guess it's really the same ideology on the 5-minute. Maybe the 2-minute's cleaner. I think I'm going to take this play on my second account because I don't really trust this all that much. I find it weird that we don't want to take previous day low. I think I would mark the 5-minute instead. $24,820 is 24. Oh yeah, I see you. It's weird, these 65-point rotations, they also kind of like always seem to line up with like ICT concepts in a way. Like with, there's always fair value gaps and liquidity levels. It's interesting how it lines up, but it's completely different like methodology. Oh, you mean ES as well? Yeah, okay. Makes more sense. So I think I'll take this with low risk on my drawdown account if we get it. Nah, not looking like it. What's the 4 hour looking like? Trying to see where this 4 hour like candle is gonna put a wick to. Because if we want to continue down, right, the 4 hour is probably gonna want to wick into this 15-minute range here. And if we want to go up, there's not much for it to do other than take that low. You find London session easier to trade? I feel like the London session has like, it's like, it does less. So it's kind of like cleaner. Like I feel like it almost moves a little bit cleaner. But it also moves slower. Am I trading on 10k? 50. Nah, 50. 50k. It's looking kind of shit. You can't find any trades? I feel like a little bit the same. I feel like I don't see A+ trades too often. Maybe you just need to change your strategy a little bit, Matt, or something. You don't understand how people can trade on their phone? You struggle to manage risk fast enough? I am 100% the same as you, bro. Like, I'm so superstitious about my trading setup. Like, I have to be at my desk. I have to be at my PC. For so many reasons, dude. I've got TradingView up in one, TradeEvade on the other. Like, I just need it. The mouse, wireless mouse, quick, you know. Even just on my laptop, like my laptop's fast, but it still is like, I feel like I'm going to get something wrong. I feel like entering trades isn't too bad on your phone, but like trying to watch the market, like trying to actually see what's happening, trying to switch between time frames, look between like correlated assets, it's just such a pain in the ass on your phone, man. It's crazy. Bro, it's looking like we're just going to continue lower. You mainly use your PC or MacBook? Yeah, same. Head's like you're hurting. Wait, do I have like a headphone dint? Let me know, because if I've got a headphone dint, like, I'm keeping these headphones on, man. They're staying on. Because I saw, like, the other day I had a headphone dint. It's crazy that I'm saying the same. Yeah, no, I have to be at my PC. Like, trying to trade on my laptop, like, in bed or something is so hard. Maybe we're going to get it here. I'll take this on the second account. do it on here. One micro is 100 brisk. Damn. Just one micro on this account. I personally think this trade is just a little bit too risky to take on my funded. Yeah. Sure, it's kind of hard to explain why I think that as well. Like, everything about this is pretty good. Like, we got these previous day lows below here, which are kind of sus. So yeah, I would honestly not be surprised at all if this goes to the stop. Unconscious trauma because of all the losses. Yeah, could be. I don't know. I think I just like... Yeah, I don't know. I do think, like, there's a feeling that I get sometimes where I, like, get this, like, oh my god, this is it. Like, this is the setup. I got to get into this one. And this one was kind of more like I had to think about it quite a lot. Oh, New York session being at midnight where I'm at. Am I planning on staying in Australia when the payouts roll in? I'd like to be able to move away for a while. I just want to travel. Like, I want to be able to travel and trade, and that's it. So I'm probably going to have to get used to trading on a laptop. But, yeah, I just want to travel a little bit. And it would be lovely to just go to America for like a month and just wake up and trade in the morning as opposed to at night all the time. But my schedule works around it pretty well, honestly. So it's not that bad. London session's at a good time. London session's at like 4 p.m, 5 p.m. So that's chill. I think with this trade, I know it's kind of quick, but if we get up to here on this 5 minute, oh no, but that's a 15 minute as well. London's 4:30 where you are. Yeah, I think it's similar for me. Just blew my account, man. I don't know why I'm not following my rules. Fuck. The gambler came out, bro. It catches up with you sometimes. You just got to remember the pain that you feel from that moment and how frustrated you feel, and no, you don't want to feel this again. I do not want to feel this feeling again. Therefore, how do I not feel it? Follow the rules. Find like something else to occupy yourself. I don't know. There's so many things that go into blowing a funded account. I actually think it needs to be studied. It actually needs to be studied by like scientists. Because I swear to God, like I feel like everyone, when you blow accounts, you get taken over by something. You literally get taken over. You watched my video where I blew my account and you did the same thing? Yeah. Just the spiral. Next time, bro, do set like a daily loss limit or something like that, so that way it locks you out if that's a problem. But then there's also over leveraging, and you know. Did I cover from that loss? Yeah, it was just a funded. So you did you blow like a personal account? You're much better off shutting it down than trying to overpower it. That's good advice. Trade London at 9 a.m. Seeing my past videos and where I'm at, you give me so much motivation. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you, bro. Means a lot. Thanks, man. I think myself, whenever I made that video where I blew my account, I think myself then would be proud of where I'm at now, honestly. Like, dude, getting tilted happens to everyone, happens to the best traders. I'm not going to say that it's not going to happen to me again, right? Because I've said that before, but it's been a long time now. Like, that was the last account that I blew from, like, getting tilted. There was another account where I just risked quite a bit and just got wrecked on the account, on the eval. But, yeah. And, like, how long ago was that video where I blew my account? Let's find that. That was 4 months ago. So it's been 4 months or more since I've blown an account. Haven't gotten tilted once. Just gotten on, taken maybe one trade, regardless of what the outcome is, getting off again. And I think that's where you need to get to. That's what you need to get to. The thing is, I 3x my account and withdrew 2x and I lost the other x, so I don't know if I'm profitable. I don't know. Gotta put that in the calculator for me, man. I don't really have confidence in this trade. I was thinking of maybe closing it here just because my account's like not got a whole lot of drawdown. Maybe just closing it here and just accepting that that trade doesn't work out. Ugh, this price action looks shit. Looks like an ICT sell model. Why do you say that? Just because we like came into this imbalance and now we're going down? Or... and we're also coming out of this big imbalance up here. Yeah, I can see that happening. Had 1,000, made it to 3,000, withdrew 2,000 and lost the other 1,000. You didn't make any money. You made $1,000. Oh no, you withdrew 2,000 and then you lost the other 1,000. Yeah, so you made $1,000. You made $1,000 still, so you still came out profitable, but you blew your account. That's weird. That's tripping me out. Can someone that's better at maths please comment and figure that out? What the fuck is price doing? Yeah, it's like stalling all of a sudden. I mean, this candle's big, but... if we don't get like a rip soon, I'm just gonna probably end the stream, and if I hit TP or stop loss or whatever happens, I'll do a trade recap on how it went. So that way you guys get to find out the results. I mean, you'll probably see anyway, but either way, you still blew your account. Yeah, but you made $1,000. Just depends if you spent $1,000 already or not. Join VC when I end it? Yeah, I will. You lost it on gold. Should I start futures trading? No, you don't have to switch to gold. Like, I don't know. Because did you blow your account from over trading or over leveraging? Like, what happened? Because it doesn't sound like it was your strategy if you were able to 3x your account. It sounds like you were just over leveraging way too much. Just using way too much risk. Like, turning $1,000 into 3,000, that's massive risk. Jay might be the market maker because I entered long. I'm in drawdown still, though. Over trading. Yeah, so you're all good with your strategy. It's over trading, so just don't do that again and don't change your strategy. Just don't make the mistake of over trading again. Because like obviously like once you start over trading, you start not following your strategy, so then it feels like your strategy is wrong, but it's actually because you were just not taking trades that really were your strategy. You just convince yourself that it was your strategy, and then when you take the loss, you're like, oh, it was my strategy, but no, it wasn't. It was you. Oh, we're bearish now, huh? Is that so? Is that so? Gotta stop over trading and you'll be profitable? Pretty much, dude. Pretty much. I used to take like 3 trades a day, sometimes more, and I just nothing really ever happened. Just lost all the time. Into some profit now. About time, bro. And journal, yeah, that too. 100%. Alright, here's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to join the voice call in Discord, so if you guys are watching the stream and you want to keep talking, join the Discord, bro. It's free. I'll put the link in here. I may as well. One sec. If you guys wanna join the Discord, just use that link there. It's free, and we can keep talking. But if I win this trade, I'll do a trade recap, and if I lose this trade, I'll also do a trade recap. So yeah, man. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you guys all trade well. Hope you guys are patient. Don't be greedy. All right. And yeah, man. Good luck. Peace.